Okay, welcome to Car Steam Cleaning. I'm Murray McDonald and welcome. Look forward to you taking a look closely at some of our products and applications that our car steam cleaning Steam Vapour is able to do for you. Temperature of steam. That's the real height we go through. Now let's go into the hinges and corners. So we can steam across and we can vacuum. So now that's steam and vacuum at the same time. Steam Vapour is a very dry technology, so it uses superheated steam. The superheated steam runs around 165 degrees, so it's quite warm, it's very dry, there's very low moisture.